So I just found a really cool plugin that's really light on CPU and gives you really good sounds as well. Now, the name of this plugin is the EP1, that's Electric Piano 1 by Korg. You can just look it up online, Korg Electric Piano 1. It's a really cool plugin. And all you have to do is come to this section right here. You can see a bank of interesting electric piano sounds. So let's audition some of them and see how they sound. So I'm going to close this. But before audition it, let's create a simple chord progression. And I'm going to open a new pattern and just come to my MIDI chord pack. And I'm going to come to my platinum and just drag and drop something in here. This MIDI chord has over 100 different chord progressions for Afrobeat and Amapiano. Let's try something else. I like that song. Let's try something else. Nice. Let's bring it to a low octave. Now, this is the first sound. This is the default sound you typically hear in the plugin. So let's switch that to a different sound. We're going to come, just click this, and then we're here. Let's try something else. I think this will sound better on a high octave. Nah, I prefer it on the low octave, but a different preset. Let's try something else again. Now, if you look at it, we have several effects we can apply. So let's turn this on, auto reverse. Let's hear how that sounds. Let's come to, we can have compression, we can have amps. Let's use Vox Wah and hear how it sounds. It has like a wah sound in there. If I turn it off, turn it on. And there are several wah presets you can use as well. We also have reverb, we can apply reverb, modulation, different effects you can apply to make it sound even more interesting. And you can also play with the bass and treble if I want less bass. If I want less treble. Let's try the intensity and see. We have vibrato in here. And you can also adjust the speed. So this plugin gives you a lot of flexibility. And this is just the main. You can apply the effects individually. You have control to go in and, really dial in the effects. And we have reverb right here. Yeah, let's hear with our drums again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. Cheers.